not gonna lie to you guys, it's already been a really stressful day. Got up in the morning and traffic was absolutely terrible. Then on the way back, I actually got diverted away from where I needed to go because of construction. And yeah, so it took me an extra 20 minutes to get home. Then actually the access to the parking garage as well as the loading dock were filled because of more construction. There was literally one of those giant trucks putting cement down. I had to go inside and like talk to the office person and kind of yell at them. And well, I didn't yell at them, but you know, I had a very strict tone and letting them know, hey, we reserved the spot. Then there was actually another person who actually pulled into the loading dock because they said they had it, I had reserved it. It was this whole thing. They said they would be quick, so waited for them since they were already in the spot for them to leave. And now, like 2.5 hours behind schedule, we finally started moving stuff down to the loading dock to move out. Anyways, my dad went back down to move the truck because apparently the recycling guys coming in and the office building told us that we had to move the truck just for a little bit, so that's delayed us even further. Honestly, I wanted to film a lot of the move itself, but I kind of just want to skip it all. I just want it to be over. It's going to be a long damn day. Yeah, so just filled up gas one last time, and I am right on the edge of Tennessee, about to enter North Carolina, so I'm getting pretty close. This is the last leg of the drive, so I'm anxious to get home and start unpacking. Yep, I'm definitely back in the South. Look at that. Look at all these motorcycles with a police escort. Look at all, so many of them.